Hello and welcome. In this video we'll be examining what you see when you open InShot. Right, you'll see there are a lot of different things to look at on the home screen. We have video, photo and collage. There's also options for more materials down the bottom. Up here we have settings. And the crown is where you upgrade to InShot Pro. Only if you want to. Right now we're focusing on video, so open up video. Here you'll see a list of projects. The most recent one you've worked on is on top, and be careful about deleting from here, because if you delete your project from here, it's gone forever. So I only recommend deleting once you've already finished your project and saved it to the camera roll. Also, if you're making a brand new project, you can click on New up here. So let's click on that right now. This is where you'll find all of your most recent videos. Also here, you can find your photos, or you can select all, which combines your photos and your videos. And then across the top, we have materials. This is a large collection of ready-made things that you can use in your videos. This section is called Intro, Outro, Transitions. Many of us have heard the 2000 years later sort of transition.
1 hour later.
If you want to use any of these, just click on the cloud buttons and then they download and then you can use them. So you can see there's a whole bunch of different sections along here. So take the time to go through, see what's available and ready for you to use, and you might be surprised by what you find. The final thing you need to know before we get into the actual editing is this little square up here. That changes how you can view your pictures. Square, big, square, big, square, big, square, big, square, big. So select what you want to start your video with. If you have several videos you want to start with, you can select more than one, and when you're ready, press the tick. So now we are ready to start editing. So in the next video, we'll take a quick tour of the editing section. I'll see you there.